This 2022 Forest River Forester 2401 BC is a Class C RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleep 6, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, awning, refrigerator, air conditioning, slide-out, water heater, oven, microwave, LP detector, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. This 2022 Forest River Forester 2401 BC is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a V6 engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.